spices, so we got a couple products from our friends at NewAir. They gave us an ice maker and a
beverage fridge.
So today we are going to make a little bar area right here in our front room. We're super excited. Thank you for sending it to us, NewAir. And of course, a link to these products will be in the description box below. So let's go ahead and unbox these and get it set up. All right, so after the hard work of getting the fridge out and the ice maker out, we get to set up our little area, and we bought this kitchen cart for 10 bucks off of Treasure Valley. So you can't go wrong with that. And so we're gonna set it up and get this whole area ready for you guys. All right, so let's talk about the fridge real quick. This is our beverage fridge. And if you can see, it's pretty big.
As you can see, you can open the door to the left, but there's some attachments that you can change so that you can open the door for whatever convenience and spot you need. Fortunately for us, it's already ready to go. We're gonna set it here and with our beverage cart to the left of it, so it's already set up nice.
So if you can see right here, there's a little light that you can press and it turns on, and you can display all your beers or pop, of course, since this is glass. This usually stays nice and warm, so it's not like all frosty, so people can still see whatever you have in here. This part you can put for let me show you. This part you can put for either waters or, in our case, beer, whatever you choose. These shelves are adjustable, so you can turn them around and put them back in. And then this is so that if you want to put your cans sideways or water sideways, they don't just fall out because it catches it.
It's awesome that we have tons of shelves here. If there's too many, we can remove some. It's really nice to accommodate whatever use you would want to use it for.
Let's start to put stuff in here and get our ice maker ready and just start getting this section together.
When do we get to start drinking?
At the end. All right, guys, so we are so excited. We are going to set up our new ice maker from NewAir as well. So we're going to show you how to set it up.
First, you're going to have to take everything out, including the ice tray and the scoop, and clean it, which we already did. On the inside, you're not using any soap, just a warm rag. And then we cleaned our ice maker. It's drying now. We're getting closer.
All right, so this is what it looks like inside. If you can see, there is a minimum line at the very bottom right there and a max line. So it depends on how much ice you want. So what you'll want to do first is turn it on. Babe, could you press the button? Okay, good. And now we are going to put some filtered water into the max line. And now we want to put our basket in. And you can see the scoop has the scoop. And
goes on both sides.
Yep. And we'll close it up. So also, this ice machine has 2 different size ice cubes. So if you want small ice cubes or big ice cubes, they're the special kind of ice cubes. What are they called, babe?
The crunchy ice. Awesome that we can get that at home now, just with this small setting feature here.
Yeah, so basically the crunchy ice it's kind of like the ice that they sell at Sonic. They have kind of like holes in the middle. They're kind of cool. So as you can see, we stocked our fridge. And so what's nice is right at the top is where we have our liquors, our mixes, so we can have them conveniently in the house before we head them outside. Of course, for people that need some water to quench their thirst, some pops to mix for mixers, some regular canned beer, and of course the bottles of beer.
We can fit 18 bottles of beer down there. As we've been getting set up, we've already gotten ice starting to come in. It's been like 5 or 10 minutes.
All right, guys, and this is the revealing of our bar area.
Now it's time to fix some cocktails. All right, we're gonna make an old fashioned. Awesome ice there. Get the drink nice and cold. Open up this awesome fridge. Finish it with a little bourbon. By the way, it took us like 45 minutes to set up, and this ice is already almost full. And it's ready.
All right, so I'm gonna make an apple martini. So what I need, of course, is some ice. And I need some vodka. So I'm gonna take 3 ounces, just because I'm gonna make it a double. Pour it in there. Now, the only thing I am missing is a cherry. We forgot to get some at the store. So it won't be quite an apple martini, but pretty close. Another 3 ounces of her sour apple. And then I need to get into the fridge and get some bar sour. And we're gonna do 1 ounce of that. Pour it in. Get a martini glass. And shake it up till it's nice and cold. Pour some in. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much, New Air, for our ice maker and our beverage fridge.
Cheers.
I hit the spot, huh?
So cold.
Well, thank you guys so much. Bye. And see you in the next video.